finger touch sensor using BC547. This is the BC547. Okay, collector, base, emitter. Okay, this is the BC547 collector, base, emitter. Okay, we connect 1 kilo ohm resistor to collector point. Next, from 1 kilo ohm resistor to LED negative. This is the LED negative. This one is positive. Okay, negative is connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor. Connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor as shown in this diagram. Next, positive is connected to 9-volt battery. This is the 9-volt battery. Positive. Next, positive battery to negative given to emitter of the BC547. Okay. Negative is given to emitter point of BC547 transistor. Next, this is the base point. Okay, we extend it using wire. Extend it. Next, another one. Cut wire piece to extend for thumb. This is what connection of finger touch sensor. Now test it. Test it. Connecting 9-volt battery. You can see here.